Imagine this. Something entered our solar system from another star system, and instead of quietly passing by like a cosmic tourist, it started firing mysterious jets into space. Jets that absolutely should not exist. That's not science fiction. That's what NASA's Hubble Space Telescope just witnessed. And the discovery has left astronomers shocked, confused, and quietly asking a terrifying question. What exactly did we just see? Because whatever this object is, it doesn't behave like anything humanity has ever studied before. Our story begins in October 2017, when astronomers in Hawaii detected a tiny, faint streak of light moving across the sky. At first, it looked like another asteroid. Harmless, routine, boring. Except it wasn't orbiting the sun like every rock we've ever tracked. It was moving too fast, on a path that didn't loop back. Within days, scientists realized the truth. This wasn't from our solar system. This object came from somewhere else in the galaxy. They named it Oumuamua, a Hawaiian word meaning scout or messenger from afar. And suddenly humanity had its first confirmed visitor from another star. The excitement was instant, but so was the confusion, because from the very beginning, nothing about this object made sense. First, its shape. Most asteroids are lumpy, round, or irregular, like potatoes. Oumuamua looked stretched, extremely stretched. Some models suggested it was shaped like a cigar, others like a pancake. Either way, it was unlike any asteroid ever recorded. Then came the color, reddish, like something weathered by cosmic radiation for millions of years. That part made sense. But what came next did not. As astronomers tracked its path, they noticed something impossible. It was speeding up. Not by gravity. Not by slingshot effects. It was accelerating on its own as it left the sun. That shouldn't happen. Objects don't just accelerate in empty space unless something is pushing them. Something like jets, but telescopes saw no tail, no gas, no dust clouds, no evidence of outgassing like a comet. So the question began to spread quietly through the scientific community. If it isn't gravity, and it isn't a comet tail, what is pushing it? And that's when the whispers began. Because one possible explanation that one scientists rarely say out loud was that it might be artificial. Not a spaceship, not aliens waving hello, but possibly a piece of alien technology. A light sail, something pushed by radiation pressure from the sun. A theory published by Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb ignited global headlines. Suddenly the world was asking, did we just detect alien technology passing through our solar system? But then Oumuamua vanished into the darkness beyond our telescopes. The mystery seemed unsolved forever. Until now. Years later, astronomers began hunting for another interstellar visitor. And in 2019, they found one. Comet, Dose, Yen, Borisov. This one looked more normal, clearly a comet with a visible tail. Scientists were relieved. Finally, something that behaved the way we expected. Something predictable. Something safe. It calmed the alien speculation. Maybe Oumuamua was just weird, rare, but natural. Mystery closed, or so they thought. Because in 2023 and 2024, the Hubble Space Telescope began observing another interstellar object. And this is where the story takes a turn no one saw coming. Hubble detected jets, but not normal comet jets. These jets were strange, erratic, chaotic, and completely inconsistent with how comets behaved. Instead of steady outgassing from ice turning to vapor, these jets appeared sporadic, misaligned, and shockingly powerful for the object's size. Scientists expected a gentle, predictable push from sublimating ice. What they saw instead looked like bursts, like sudden spurts, like the object was sputtering. The jets weren't symmetrical. They weren't steady. They didn't follow known physics patterns of cometary behavior. Imagine watching a car rolling downhill, and suddenly it accelerates sideways for no reason. That's what Hubble saw in space. And now the mystery of Oumuamua is back, but louder. Because the new object shows similar unexplained acceleration patterns. Which means Oumuamua might not have been unique. Let that sink in. This could be a new class of interstellar objects we don't understand, or something far stranger. Midway through this story comes our first major reveal. Scientists now suspect that interstellar space may be full of objects shaped and altered by processes we've never witnessed. Objects that travel for millions, maybe billions of years, through harsh cosmic radiation, freezing darkness, and violent stellar events. Over time, these objects may transform into something entirely different from anything born in our solar system. Imagine a rock wandering through interstellar space for 500 million years, bombarded by radiation, stripped of volatile materials, fractured by microcollisions, chemically altered by cosmic rays. By the time it enters a new solar system, it may behave nothing like the asteroids or comets we know. But even that doesn't fully explain the jets. Because here comes the second major reveal. Scientists think the jets may be hydrogen immiscibly hydrogen. When comets approach the sun, we expect water ice to vaporize and create visible tails. But hydrogen gas is transparent, invisible. If these interstellar objects are rich in frozen hydrogen, something extremely rare in our solar system, the sun could heat them and cause invisible jets to erupt. Jets we can't see, but that still pushes the object forward. That could explain the acceleration, the weird motion, the missing tail. Suddenly, the alien light sail theory becomes less likely, but the mystery becomes deeper. Because where do you get giant chunks of frozen hydrogen in space? Hydrogen ice can only form in the coldest, darkest regions of interstellar clouds. Environments colder than Pluto, which means these objects may have formed in places we've never directly observed, places that existed long before our sun was born. That means when we observe these visitors, we are literally studying ancient relics from alien star systems, time capsules from the galaxy's past. But the story doesn't stop there, because the jets Hubble observed weren't just hydrogen-like. They were chaotic, unstable, bursting in unpredictable directions. Which brings us to the third major reveal. And this one is unsettling. Some researchers now believe these objects may be breaking apart while we watch. Imagine a fragile cosmic iceberg entering a warm solar system for the first time in millions of years. The sun heats it rapidly. Internal pockets of gas explode outward. Cracks form. Pressure builds. Jets erupt unpredictably like steam escaping a cracked pressure cooker. We may be witnessing the slow death of interstellar visitors as they enter our cosmic neighborhood. And if that's true, it means we've barely scratched the surface of what's out there. Because for every interstellar object we detect, millions pass unnoticed, silent, and invisibly untouched by human observation. Right now, as you're listening to this, something from another star system could be passing through the outer edges of our solar system. We just haven't seen it yet. The realization changes how we see our place in the universe. For centuries, humanity thought of the solar system as a closed neighborhood, a family of planets and asteroids born together. But now we know the truth. The solar system has visitors. Frequent visitors. The galaxy is not a quiet place. It's a busy highway, and Earth sits right next to the road. Every interstellar object is a messenger from another star, carrying chemical signatures, histories, and secrets from distant solar systems we may never reach. These objects may hold clues to how planets form, how water spreads across the galaxy, maybe even how life's building blocks travel between stars. Because here's the part that should really make you pause. Scientists believe interstellar objects could carry organic molecules, the ingredients for life, frozen, preserved, protected from radiation deep inside their cores. For billions of years, traveling from star to star, seeding the galaxy with the chemistry of life. Which leads to a question so big, it almost feels uncomfortable. Did life on Earth begin here, or did it arrive on an interstellar visitor billions of years ago? The idea is called panspermia, and every new interstellar object we detect makes the idea slightly less crazy, slightly more possible. Suddenly, Hubble's strange jets aren't just a curiosity. They're part of a much bigger story. A story about the movement of matter across the galaxy, about how solar systems exchange material like cosmic trade routes, about how the Milky Way might be more connected than we ever imagined, And here's the twist that brings everything full circle. In the next decade, new telescopes like the Vera Rubin Observatory will begin scanning the sky every night. Scientists expect we could detect dozens of interstellar objects every year. Dozens. What was once a once-in-a-lifetime discovery may soon become routine. Imagine a future where astronomers announce a new interstellar visitor every few months. Each one a new mystery, a new story, a new piece of the galactic puzzle. And eventua, this is the part that feels like science fiction becoming reality. Humanity may launch a mission to intercept one, a spacecraft designed to chase an interstellar object, to photograph it up close, to analyze its chemistry, to touch something born around another star. That mission could happen within our lifetime. Think about that. The first human-made object to reach an interstellar visitor. The first close-up images of material older than our solar system. The first physical sample from another star system. When that moment comes, history will divide into before and after. Before we touched the galaxy, and after. But until then, Hubble's strange jets remain a warning and an invitation. A reminder that the universe is far stranger than we expect. That every time we think we understand space, it surprises us. That every answer creates new questions. And maybe that's the real lesson here. We are not isolated. We are not stationary. We are not alone in the sense we once believed. The solar system is part of a vast, moving ecosystem of stars, dust, ice, and wandering objects traveling the galaxy for billions of years. And occasionally, one of them visits us. Quietly, briefly, leaving us with more questions than answers. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this: somewhere out there, another interstellar visitor may already be on its way, carrying secrets from another star, heading toward the sun, toward Earth, toward discovery. And when the next one arrives, will we finally be ready to understand it? Or will it leave us with an even bigger mystery? If this story sparked your curiosity about the universe, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what do you think these strange jets really are? Natural physics we don't understand yet? Or the first hint that the galaxy is far more active than we ever imagined? TC's ADD, and the universe is just getting started.